So hey guys, let's classify bacteria. Bacteria are divided into gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria and others. If you classify gram-positive bacteria, they can be based on the morphology. They can be cocci, gram-positive cocci, or they can be bacilli, gram-positive bacillus. If they are gram-positive cocci, you can further divide based on the catalase test. If they are catalase positive, they are staphylococcus. If they are catalase negative, then they are streptococcus. Talking about the spores, gram-positive bacilli. How will you divide the gram-positive bacilli? Gram-positive bacilli you can divide based on the spore formation. If they are spore forming or they are not spore forming. If they are spore forming, then we can divide into gram-positive spore forming bacilli, whether they are aerobic or whether they are anaerobic. So bacillus is a gram-positive spore forming aerobic bacteria. Okay, and Clostridium, these are the gram-positive bacillus spore forming and anaerobic. Clostridium are the spore forming but they are anaerobic. Bacillus are spore forming but they are aerobic. Now let's talk about the non-spore forming bacillus, gram-positive bacillus. If they are non-spore forming, they can be further divided into aerobic non-spore forming and anaerobic non-spore forming. Aerobic non-spore forming are Corynebacterium, Mycobacterium, Listeria and Nocardia. Anaerobic actinomycetes. Actinomycetes do not form any spores and it is anaerobic also. Now let's talk about how to classify gram-negative bacteria. Gram-negative bacteria we can divide into gram-negative cocci and gram-negative bacillus. Cocci is simple, Neisseria. These are Neisseria is the best example. Meningitidis and Neisseria gonococci. Meningococci or gonococci. Okay. Now talking about gram-negative bacillus, you can divide based on the oxidase test. If they are oxidase positive, we can divide into obligate aerobe, microaerophilic and facultative anaerobe. Talking about the oxidase negative, then they are Enterobacteriaceae family. So let's first discuss Enterobacteriaceae family. In Enterobacteriaceae family, you can divide into lactose vomiting and non-lactose vomiting. If they are lactose vomiting, you can divide into motile or non-motile. If they are motile and lactose vomiting, the best example is E. coli. E. coli are lactose vomiting motile bacteria. That's why they cause UTI. And motility is absent in the Klebsiella and they are also lactose fermenters. So based on the McConkey agar gives pink color lactose fermentation by E. coli and Klebsiella. McConkey, E. coli and Klebsiella. Talking about the non-lactose fermenters, these are motility is present, Salmonella, Proteus, Yersinia, non-motile, Shigella. We get aerobe Pseudomonas, Legionella, Brucella, microaerophilic